Hello again, Fish-A-Lots. Johnny Fish-A-Lot here, and if you love the uni knot like I do and you've been following the channel for a while, you know that I use a uni knot for just about everything. It's called the universal knot. But when you're tying the universal knot to a fishing lure, there's a really neat way that you could 10x the strength of this knot with one simple, really quick tip. I'm going to walk you through it right now. So, all right, so you're tying up something like this, right? This is a plug, could be anything. Could be a lure, a plug, a jig head, whatever the case might be. What you want to do is you want to take a line, you want to pass it through the eye of whatever it is that you're tying, right? Hook, lure, whatever. Then what you want to do is you want to immediately pass it through a second time, just like that. So now you got two wraps of your line right here going through the eye of the hook. So this is very similar to something like a trilene knot or a Palomar knot where you have two wraps basically on the eye of the hook right here. And now what you're going to do is you're just going to tie your regular uni knot right here, right? So I got my tag end, I got my main line. I'm going to put them both together. I'm going to make my loop, okay, just like that. And now I'm going to pass my tag end through the loop 5 to 7 times, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will be just fine. Okay, you're going to grab your tag end right here. You're going to grab the main line. Now you should have something like that. All right, now you're going to cinch it down. Again, don't worry about cinching it all the way down because that'll come at the end of the knot. So you should have something that looks like this. And now what you're going to do is you're going to grab your main line right here and you're just going to tighten it up. See, it's going to slide right down the line, cinch right down to the lure just like that, and take a look. That is a strengthened, reinforced uni knot right there. And that is going to be so, so strong because now you got two wraps of your main line through the lure right here instead of just one. And we could clear up this tag end right here. And that's just one of the many ways the universal fishing knot can be used to really increase the strength of your knots, catch more fish, and just such an easy way to tie your knots to lures, hooks, whatever you might be fishing with. So if you're interested to learn all the ways that a uni knot really earns its name, the universal fishing knot, go ahead and click on this end card right here where I show you 5 more ways that you could use a uni knot to help you in your fishing. All right, Fish-A-Lots, thanks for tuning in. I'll see you out there on the water.